Hello everyone, welcome to Kiran's Commerce Tutorials. Today we are studying Cost Accounting 2018 KUD examination 2 marks questions and answers. Let us start with the first question. What is composite cost unit? Give 2 examples of composite cost unit. In operating costing, 2 types of services are generally compounded together to express the cost per unit. This is called as a composite unit. For example, transport per passenger per kilometer. Second one is hospital per patient per day. Second question, what is process costing? Process costing is one which is applied to those organizations in which raw materials are passed through different processes before they are converted into finished goods. Third one, what is work uncertified? The amount of work done but for which an engineer has not yet certified is called as work uncertified. Fourth one, what is abnormal loss? When the actual output is less than the expected output, that difference is defined as abnormal loss, and this arises because due to carelessness or negligence. Fifth one, how do you treat sale of scrap in contract account? Answer for this is sale of scrap in contract account is credited to the contract account. Sixth one, calculate passenger kilometers. They have given distance covered kilometers 300 kilometers, number of days given 30 days, number of buses is given 2 buses, capacity is given 60 passengers and seat occupied is 90%. By using this information we need to calculate passenger kilometers. In order to calculate passengers kilometers we are using formula, that is number of buses multiplied by number of days multiplied by number of trips multiplied by distance multiplied by normal capacity multiplied by percentage of capacity utilized. Here number of buses is given 2 buses, number of days is given 30 days, number of trips is not given but assumed to be 1. Multiplied by distance 300 kilometers multiplied by normal capacity it is 60 and capacity utilized is 90%. If you are doing this calculation you will get 9,72,000 passenger kilometers. Eighth one, find out profit transfer to profit and loss account. They have given estimated profit rupees 32,000, work certified is given 1,80,000, contract price is given 2 lakh rupees. So in order to calculate this we are using one formula, that is profit transfer to profit and loss account equal to estimated profit multiplied by work certified. Work certified is divided by contract price. So here estimated profit is given 32,000 and work certified is 1,80,000. 1,80,000 is divided by contract price, that is 2 lakh. So if you are doing this calculation you will get rupees 28,800 rupees. Eighth one, what is subcontract? Answer for this is, along with the main contract of construction of building, other contract works like electrification, plumbing, internal decoration, etc. These are called as subcontracts. Ninth one, write 2 features of process costing. The following are the features of process costing. First one is, in process accounts, output of one process will be the input of other processes. Second one is, inputs and outputs are expressed in terms of quantity and values. Okay, so these are the some of the questions which are asked during the KUD examination 2018. Go through this one. Thank you.